What's wrong?
I keep getting my password wrong. My app won't open. I need a capital, a symbol, and a number. Ugh, why are there so many conditions?
I know, that is so frustrating. But you know, the computer is just using a conditional to check your password and respond.
A conditionals?
Conditionals are an important part of coding. It's what makes computers seem so smart. But really, the programmer just added conditions that the computer is checking for. In this case, it's checking to see if the password you entered matches the one that you entered when you set up the app. It's using a basic if-then statement.
If-then statements?
Yes, we use them in everyday real life.
We do?
Like if it's raining, then I'll wear a raincoat. Or if I'm hungry, then I should eat. If I take out the trash, then I can play games. If my favorite sweater is clean, then I can wear it to school.
Okay, I get it.
Okay, there are lots of examples of conditionals in life and in coding. The game Simon Says uses conditionals. If the caller says Simon Says, then you follow the command.
Right, you can also add an else statement. If it's raining, then I'll wear a raincoat, or else I'll wear sunglasses. If I'm hungry, then I should eat, or else my stomach will growl. If my favorite sweater is clean, then I can wear it to school, or else I'll wear my hoodie. If I take out the trash, then I can play games, or else, well, you get it, right?
Now, let's see what conditionals look like using block-based coding, like in Scratch. Here's an example in Scratch. This is a simple game that allows you to control the ball using the arrow keys to move around obstacles. As you move, if you bump into the barrier, you hear a sound and the ball backs up just enough to stop touching the barrier. When you successfully get around the barrier and make it to the end, you will see the "you win" and a cheering sound displayed. In this code, there are many conditions that the coder has applied to make the game work. Let's look at some of them. If we open up the coding for the ball, it looks complicated, but it's really not. We just had to add a conditional for each way the arrow would move. We said if the ball touches the blue area, make the guitar sound, then move back. At the end, we added code to the green square to say if the ball touches it, then make a cheer sound and say "you win."
Now let's look at coding Dash with Blockly. With Dash and other coding robots, you can set a lot of different conditions. Under the control blocks, if we grab an if control or an if else control, you can see there are lots of different conditions we can set. Because Dash has a lot of sensors, we can set a condition to sense objects from different directions, to listen, to respond if picked up, or even if he's stuck. First, we will grab the set wheel speed function and leave both wheels at normal speed. This will make sure that Dash will continue to go forward until the condition changes. We will use the conditional if Dash sees an object in front, and then we will have him do something different. In this case, he will stop, make a funny noise, and then move backwards really fast. Let's see if it works.
Oh, that is so fun. I want to try different conditionals with Scratch and Dash and other coding devices. It really makes coding more interesting.
Right, conditionals are a very important part of coding, and they are really very simple to use. Have fun adding conditionals to your codes.